What is up, guys? This is your boy Azam with Investofy, and today I want to talk about what is going on in the Bitcoin and the crypto assets market. So, what we've seen happen in the past few months is that the price of Bitcoin has dropped significantly. Along with it, the entire crypto market has dropped in market value. We've also seen a lot of social media channels ban crypto ads. We've also seen that the Google searches for crypto investing or cryptocurrencies in general has gone down. So, despite all this, does that mean that crypto assets and Bitcoin are a fad? Well, in fact, no, it's the opposite. And one of the things that I focus on is the big picture and the long-term view of something, right? In the short term, you will see speculation that is going to drive the price, but in the long term, it's the utility itself that's going to build value. I always believe in this. And we've seen this time after time. So, the big news that I really want to focus on is what CBOE is recommending. They want SEC to allow Bitcoin exchange traded funds. People don't realize how huge this is. And with the support of on board, if the Bitcoin exchange traded funds, if they come into fruition this year, which I believe they will, it is going to skyrocket the prices of Bitcoin and crypto assets because it's going to bring in more liquidity into this market. So that is one thing you need to focus on. But that's just one piece of the entire market, what's going on. You have to realize that the way smart money moves in is that it is being accumulated on the back end, and over time it grows, right? We can see that with the biggest exchanges in the world getting investments from corporations, Poloniex being bought by Circle, which is run by Goldman Sachs, and then they brought on board a ex executive from Square on their team. So huge things happening within this, right? Google's working on their own blockchain, and just a massive amount of work that's going to be done. And as I say again and again, right? Don't go for the buy and sell, right? Don't go for the short-term pricing, right? Don't be excited by that. Really understand what's happening in the crypto markets. There's amazing projects out there that are just getting started. That does not mean that they're going to be successful. What means is that if you do your due diligence and you invest the way that we do at Investofy for long term, that perhaps even if there are a few failures, in the long run, a lot of these can have significant impact on return. And I believe once the Bitcoin ETF comes into fruition, that is giving that's going to be a huge player in terms of liquidity and bringing in more money into this space. So do know that this is, in my opinion, what the early days of this industry, and ideally the best time to be part of Bitcoin and the crypto assets space, whether you are as an investor, whether you're someone that's looking into blockchain technology for their business solutions, or you just want to be an educator. Be part of it, learn, because in the next few years to come, we will look back at this and we will think about it, right? One of the things is that I always look at is in 2010, the price of a Bitcoin in March was less than a penny, right? In 2011, it was $1. And today it's still at around $8,100. So it's been around for a few years, but this is just beginning, right? The market's just coming close to the people. We are just being introduced to this industry. So guys, look for more updates coming from us. If you really want to learn, join us and check out our free course, our free video trainings, and be part of our community. Take care. Have a great day. This is Azam with Investofy. Bye.